Hello everyone. Today I'm going to cook Hyderabadi style chicken dum biryani. So to start with, I'm going to fry the onions first. I have 2 cups of onions cut into thin slices like this. So let's fry these onions first. So I'm adding oil. Take sufficient oil to make fried onions. Once the oil is hot, let's add all these onions. And we are going to fry them until they turn dark brown in color. So the onions are fried now. We can turn off the heat. So I took it to a plate and let's keep it aside. And now let's marinate the chicken. I have 2 lb of chicken and we are going to cook 4 cups of rice. So ginger garlic paste 3 tablespoons we are going to use. So 3/4 teaspoon of biryani masala. I have a separate video on biryani masala. I'll provide the link in the description. 1 tablespoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder, cumin powder less than 1/4 teaspoon, few sai jeera seeds, a pinch of turmeric powder. Don't use a lot, then it will turn your biryani to yellow color. Salt, 2 green chili, a cup of curd, lime juice 2 tablespoons, chopped mint leaves 1 cup, chopped coriander leaves 1 cup, and finally 3 tablespoons of oil. And fried onions, just half of it, and the remaining half we will use it later. And now let's mix it well. And now let it marinate for at least couple of hours. And now let's cook the basmati rice. So in a vessel I took water, turn on the heat, adding oil half tablespoon, salt half tablespoon, and spices like bay leaf, small cinnamon stick, 1 star anise, and 1 cardamom. And let's wait until the water is boiled. So the water is boiled. Now we can add the rice. I'm using 4 cups of basmati rice. Soaked it in water for 40 minutes. And now we are going to cook it only for 3 to 4 minutes. Once the rice is 70% cooked, we can turn off the heat. So it's 70% cooked, so I'm going to turn off the heat. And let's drain the water. I have drained the water completely, and let's keep this aside. And it's been 2 hours we marinated the chicken. And turn on the heat on a medium flame and start adding the rice. Slowly. And adding ghee now. and the remaining fried onions. And just give it a gentle mix. Just spread them all over the rice. And few coriander and mint leaves. And finally some food coloring. I'm using orange food coloring. Just mix it in water and spray it on top. And close it with a lid, a very tight lid to lock the steam. Or you can also use dough to cover the sides to lock the steam. And I'm not using it. The lid is so tight, so I'm not using it. And let it cook for 15 minutes on a mild flame. So it's been 15 minutes. So let's move this aside. And I'm keeping a tawa now. And then on top, we are keeping our biryani vessel. And now on a very mild flame, let it cook for another 20 minutes. So it's been 20 minutes. We can turn off the heat and don't open it yet. Let it cool down for 10 more minutes and then we can open it. So it's been 10 minutes. We can open it now. Wow, nice smell. Also, rice also looks good. Okay. Just mix it gently. Make sure not to break the rice. Okay, there's our biryani, guys. Our chicken dum biryani is ready.